Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
8 Canto 9 Chapter 25th verse. Chakrena Shuradharena Jaharapi Vatah Shiraha Haristasya Kabandhastu Sudaya Plavito Apata. The Supreme Personality Godhead Hari, using his disc which was sharp like a razor, at once cut off Rahu's head. Where Rahu's head was severed from his body, the body being untouched by nectar could not survive. So, Prabhupada has spent considerable time explaining something very, very interesting. Both the demons and the devotees did the same effort. They were in the same place, but they achieved different result. The demigods got the nectar, thus enhancing their life. They became free from diseases and they could live much longer. And the Danavas, being neglected of Mohini Murti, became dejected. But both did the same effort. Danavas can complain, we also put the same effort. But they are still not qualified because they have enviousness. Sarpa Kura Khala Kururaha. If somebody is envious, it is said encouraging him is like giving milk to the snake. It only increases his poison. It is said when a snake is envious, you can control it somehow by some mantra or shadi. But somebody whose person is envious in this world, nahi chalta. But the person in the envious in this world is very difficult to correct. So Krishna decided, just like in the Mahabharata war, Krishna decided to kill Rahu, had drunk nectar. Krishna did not allow him to live. So even if some trick they may try, Danavas will never be encouraged by the Lord. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Mogasha Moga Karmanam Moga Jnana Vichesasaha Asurim Rakshasim Asurim Jaiva Prakriti Mohin Sprita. Everything is a defeat. दानव के लिए सब नष्ट है. वो कितना भी कुछ प्लान कर ले, ऐसे कर ले, वो भगवान उसको समृद्धि कभी नहीं होने देगा, सब नष्ट हो जाएगा उसका. भगवद गीता में बोला मोगशा मोग कर्मा नाम मोग ज्ञान विचेषा. ये श्लोक आता है, उसके पहला श्लोक है अवजानाति मामूढ़ा मानुषिम तनुमाश्रितम परम भाव अजानो तो मभूतम हयचरम. एक्चुअली हर दिन एक श्लोक याद करने का कोशिश करना चाहिए. तो ये तो गीता के 108 श्लोक हैं इंपॉर्टेंट, उसको नोट कर सकते हैं, याद कर सकते हैं. भागवत में भी ऐसे कितने हजारों श्लोक हैं अच्छे. तो अवजानाति मां मूढ़ा, जो मूर्ख लोग हैं, मानुष्यम तनुमाश्रित, जो भगवान मनुष्य रूप में आते हैं उनको अपने जैसे समझ लेते हैं. परम भाव अजानो, तो ये नहीं जानते भगवान का तो तत्व कुछ अलग ही है. मम भूत महेश्वर, अरे बाबा मैं पूरी सृष्टि का कंट्रोलर हूँ, महाईश हूँ, वो लोग नहीं समझ पाते. सो इधर देवता दानव के पॉइंट में था, दे डिड द सेम एक्टिविटी. सो Prabhupada says we can know by activity. And Prabhupada is speaking something he is not named. It's actually his God brothers. When he became the huge movement, they became envious. Prabhupada said they are not devotees. So much struggle is going to spread Krishna consciousness. Some devotees practically gave their life to spread it. And a so-called person dress of a Vaishnava is criticizing that. Prabhupada said, he's not a Vaishnava, he's a Karmi. Correct? He's not able to appreciate. Prabhupada had so much difficulty, particularly preaching in Russia. Devotees gave their life. And they were in India, so many people in a dress of sadhu criticizing. Swamiji has destroyed Hindu Dharma, some people say. They say ISKCON has destroyed Hindu Dharma. They say like that. They don't understand. So Prabhupada said, no, these are not devotees. They are karmis in the dress of a devotee. How can they be devotee? How can devotees speak like that? Devotee should be so happy when he sees more and more people are surrendering to Krishna. That should become joy to the devotee. How can devotees see, I not did it, somebody did it, so I am envious of that? No, it's not. So this is the miracle here. That the Mohini Murti was very careful, because demons were only wanted nectar to create further disturbance in this world and harass more people. Like Hiranyakashipu was harassing the whole universe, and he used to catch people and he used to beat the devatas for no purpose. Catch Indra and other people and beat them for no purpose, simply for fun. He was having very life which is not honorable, and he was disgusting, and the devatas did not know what to do. So they prayed to the Lord, and they saved. Lord saved them. Similarly, today also, this is instance, Samudra Manthan, they are in great difficulty because Vamadeva has taken the whole universe. So Krishna is now going to take away the all the place from the devatas and give to the Danavas. And he does it very trickily in the form of a dwarf, Vamadeva. Why did he have to do that? Because the Shukracharya there, Brahmana, who was at the end of the day a pure Brahmana, is not a pure Vaishnava at that time. Later he became Vaishnava. So even a person like Shukracharya, Namo Brahmana Deva, he had given the blessing to the Danavas. And Krishna cannot take the wealth of the Danavas because it is blessed and protected by Shukracharya. So therefore Krishna did the trick of going like a Vamana to somehow get it out of that. Okay? So in this situation also, Krishna thought what to do, and he did. And the devatas, the Danavas had nectar almost near their lip, but they could not drink it. Krishna stopped it. And one person drank, and still Krishna cut his neck away. Did not allow it to go to his body. So as much we may try to trick, you cannot get Krishna's mercy by force. Right? We cannot get Nama Amrita by force. As much we trick. No trick will work, no tune will work. Some people try tunes. Hours of practice. Nothing will work. What will work is, am I sincere? Prabhupada says, we are not musicians. He says, Prabhupada says, when people hear us, they should not go with the picture we are musicians. They should rather feel that they look at the face of the devotee. I remember when I see a person doing kirtan, I look at the face of the devotee. And what inspires me is this calling out to the Lord, not the tune. I am not interested in the tune. Correct? Then there are so many people. In the metal world, so many film stars, they sing so many nice tunes. What we have to do with that? उससे क्या करना है अपने को? उसमें भक्ति नहीं है, हम उसको नहीं सुनते. कितना फिल्म में बड़ा बड़ा भजन होता है, हम लोग नहीं सुनते उसको. सुनते हैं हम उसको? कभी नहीं सुनते. करेक्ट? अवैष्णव मुख हो गया, अवैष्णव सिंगिंग, उसको कभी नहीं सुनने का. करेक्ट? But a devotee is singing. We are very interested. Tadvag visargo janataga viplavo yasmin pratishlok abadivati api namani anantasya yasho ankitani yat shanvanti gayanti grinanti sadava. Bhagavatam says, Nayat vachaschitra padam yasher haro jagat pranditam karhite karhichet. The two shlokas. It says, some words are very nicely decorated. But because there is no feeling for the Lord, that all the description is waste. It's just like we don't read, so many books are there, we don't read them. So many people are writing so many books on Krishna, Gita, Bhagavatam, we don't touch them. We don't read. Why we don't read? Because there is no sincere devotion to the Lord. And here, some book may be there may be so much grammatical mistakes, so many spelling mistakes. It may be. Generally, a devotee will not try to commit all that. It may be, suppose. Prabhupada writes in the Bhagavatam itself. He said, I am writing this book in a foreign language. It's not my language. 50 years. I think 1960s, 50s, and Prabhupada is writing. English was not so well developed in India. Correct? Mostly people did not know only. They knew their mother tongue and Hindi. Mostly. And here Prabhupada said, I am writing in a foreign language. It's not my mother tongue. There will be so many mistakes. But I hope the people will take the message seriously. Just like when a house is on fire. Now, when you're conveying to the other person house is on fire, the language doesn't matter, the message matters. So similarly, there is an urgency of the message. Now, we do not feel. That's the difference. The acharyas, they feel a sense of urgency. Not for themselves. They are not working for the world. People are feeling materialist sense of urgency for themselves. Arey, time itna ho gaya, I am still there. That is materialist. Spiritualists are feeling urgency for the public. What to do for them? And it's very dangerous what is happening. So, Yasmin Pratishloka. So therefore, even if there may be some mistake in their presentation in grammar or vocabulary, Prabhupada said does not matter. Those who are thoroughly honest, they relish that message. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's what is most important. So here the Danavas have done a very big mistake. They have not surrendered to the Lord. They could see in front of them the glories of the Lord. The Lord lifted Sumeri mountain in front of them. The Lord became Kurma Avatara in front of them. The Lord took another Avatara on the top of the mountain. The Lord personally did Samudra Manthan also sometimes. They could see the Lord do, and then Lord did Mohini Murti Avatara and then showed them the Narayana form. Still they did not surrender. Now if we take an analogy, even today to some extent the glories of the Lord are visible. Prabhupada said, seeing one rose you can surrender to the Lord. What a beautiful creation it is. From the same soil you put 10 seeds, you get different flowers. From the same soil, one seed is taking out one color, Hannah. Those colors are not visible, that they were there in the earth. We could not see that color. We will give you a lump of earth, take out color, we can't do it. But it does it, magically it does it. So Prabhupada said, if you see even a small glory of Krishna, correct? एक गुलाब फूल को देख के ही हम भगवान के चरण में पड़ सकते हैं. प्रभुपाद जी बोलते हैं एक गुलाब फूल काफ़ी है भगवान का दास बनने के लिए. In fact, in Western philosophy also many people have said that, devotees have said that. One rose is enough to make me surrender to Krishna. That's enough. And somebody who nothing will work. You bring the whole universe, you show all the glories of the Lord, he will still not surrender to the Lord. A devatas are surrender to the Lord, and more the Lord's glory they are seeing, and they are becoming greater and greater devotees. They were in problem. They went to the Lord to pray. The Lord said, don't worry. Organize Samudra Manthan, I am coming. Full faith. Lord is saying Samudra Manthan. And then they saw the glories of the Lord expanding. भगवान के पास गए, भाई क्या करें, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. भगवान बोले समुद्र मंथन करो. हाँ, समुद्र. और उसके बाद एक भगवान की लीला देखते रहे. भगवान ने सुमेरी माउंटेन को अकेला उठा दिया, जबकि देवता दानव दोनों ही उठा पा रहे थे. कह रहे तो भक्ति और बढ़ गया. हमारे भगवान इतने शक्तिशाली हैं. फिर उसके बाद समुद्र मंथन में उधर रखा, वो डूब गया. तो भगवान कूर्म अवतार में नीचे, अरे हमारे भगवान कूर्म अवतार बन गए, है ना. तो जो भक्त, और कितना कूर्म अवतार का इतना बड़ा साइज है जैसे कोई द्वीप हो. ऐसा नहीं था छोटा कछुआ, एक द्वीप का साइज था. बिकॉज उसमें माउंटेन रखना है ना, आपको पहाड़ रखना है. करेक्ट. ऐसे कछुए में थोड़ी पहाड़ रखेंगे, वो तो ह्यूज. इट्स द साइज. सो फॉर अ डिवोटी द ग्लोरीज वाज विजिबल वन आफ्टर अनदर. दे कुड सी द ग्लोरीज एंड दे वर सरेंडरिंग मोर एंड मोर. एंड कृष्णा गिव देम ऑल द नेक्टर. एंड द दानवास, द ग्लोरीज ऑफ लॉर्ड आर विजिबल, दे कांट सी इट. Therefore, Prabhupada says, just seeing is not important. खाली देखना important नहीं है, ज्ञान से देखना पड़ता है. We have to see with knowledge. Then we can see. Just like we see a rose. Without knowledge, oh, it happened accidentally. With knowledge, Krishna is a great artist. Prabhupada said. The moment you see a rose, Prabhupada said, Krishna is a beautiful artist. We can make a painting of rose, we get some big money. There are some big displays. But here, it's not only a painting, it's a texture, it's a smell. Nobody can make that. You can't duplicate that. And nobody gives credit. And that's the Danava. Asuri Bhav Mashita. He is a demonic person. He will just not surrender. Like a dog's tail, not become stave. Why? He is envious. The example is given, when we are envious, we cannot stand anybody's glory. We don't accept. Prabhupada gives an example. Somebody became judge. So somebody said, Arey, judge, Maybe he's not getting salary. Maybe he's not getting salary. Judge bana hai. Maybe he's not getting. Not just accept that he can do anything wonderful because they are envious. Even though the Lord's glory for any common sense are visible so great, I don't know how they're accommodating that without the Lord who can do that. Still they don't want to surrender to them. They are too much attached to their body. They are too much attached to their sense gratification. Their heart is full of envy, strong material desires. They can't stand the glory of the Lord. When devotee, ye yatha mam prapadyante, Prabhupada quotes this shloka, ye yatha mam prapadyante tam saiva bhajamiham. It says the glory of the devotee, he sees the Lord, the more the devotee surrender, the more the glories of the Lord are revealed to him. That's why Bhagavad Gita, Krishna reveals, increases. He says, now I'll tell you more, now I'll tell you more. At the end he says, surrender to me totally. Sarvadharman parityaja. Because once you are ready, then Krishna is asking you to surrender. Somebody is not ready, what is the use of asking? He will just revolt. Why are you telling me to surrender? He'll revolt. But Krishna is gradually lifting. And the glories of the Lord are manifesting more. Finally, Sarvadharman parityaja, totally surrendered. So the Devatas are very fortunate. And they're getting mercy of Krishna. And Danavas could not get any mercy of Krishna. They're getting that mercy of maintenance. Therefore, one mercy everybody is getting. We should not be excited about it. The mercy of maintenance. Okay? That everybody, even animals get that mercy. But we want special mercy, bhakti. For that we are endeavoring. Most of the people become satisfied when their livelihood is done. My life is successful. Correct? But a devotee is not satisfied by that. He wants more. Devotee wants special mercy. And Prabhupada says, to again repeat, the amount of mercy that was got by gopis, even Lord Shiva did not get. Even Brahma did not get. Correct? So much mercy they got of Krishna. Because they totally surrendered to the Lord. When Krishna used to play the flute, they used to run out of the house. Their husbands are holding them, their brothers are holding. They used to just run out of there. Maybe taking care of the child, just leave the child and run. Only Krishna. Correct? They took all the risks just to please Krishna. And Krishna was seeing. Actually, they were living in their spiritual bodies, not in the middle bodies. But still, Krishna could see their total desire to please him. What we are pleased with is their total desire to please him. And Krishna becomes totally, he says, I cannot repay you for your love that you expressed to me. So we can become devotees, we become sincere, not a gram of energy is wasted. Another point to see. Devatas invested some energy, not wasted, they got nectar. Danavas, they invested maybe more energy because they're more powerful, they got nothing. So Prabhupada says, if the life is not devotee, whole life is a waste. Danavas, waste. They put so much energy. They are doing Samudra Manthan, they are also doing. They got nothing. Krishna cheated them. Krishna says, I am the cheater of the cheats. So Danava means cheat. Danava is all the supplies he is getting from Krishna and he denies Krishna. He is a cheat. So Krishna is the cheater of the cheats. He gives them nothing at the end. When they die, they go to Naraka. That's all, waste. But devotees, they also die. But it is like the cat taking care of the kitten and cat taking care of the rat. The Danavas are like the cat taking care of the rat. The cat is holding rat. Danavas are like that. At the time of death, full of fear and going to hell and punishment. And Devatas is like जो बिल्ली मुंह में अपना बच्चे को रखते, क्या है? उसका मृत्यु होता है, but very pleasant, very very pleasant. Devatas get a very pleasant situation to go back to Krishna's kingdom, and they are very very happy and fortunate. So Krishna said in the Bhagavad Gita, Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pradakshati. Arjuna declared, my devotee will not perish. So devotees, whatever it is, they were devotee. They made the mistake with Durvasa, but they are not non-devotee, they are devotees. They are noble. Actually, all the devatas are noble actually. Overall, their personality is very noble. Here and there, sometimes mistakes does happen. They are not Siddha Purushas. But overall, Indra, all the Varuna, all they are very Brahma, all very noble people, and they are devotees. So Krishna is always protecting them. Krishna gives protection to them. Sometimes seemingly, momentarily, there may be some upset like Pandavas. Momentarily they were losing, but later we see they got the whole empire. Krishna gave them everything. Correct? तो ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी, but Krishna is very kind. He is to bestow everything to the devotees, and we see in this instance. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.